For those of you who thought that I was off my message, so it's all about perspective. That's all. The go along, get along game, I told you, it's on every level, in every tier, and the focus is on young black males. And that's why we've been getting kicked in the ass. That's why they paint us out to look like we look. That's why there's no opportunities the easy way. That's why when a black male make a mistake, there's no easy program. There's no slap on the wrist. There's prison. There's jail. There's been an assault on the black male. They don't need us at this point. They've empowered women so strong and so high. And a black male, one mistake, land him in jail, one mistake, child support, one mistake, anything. His ass better walk in the straight and narrow, and he better goddamn find some white people that like him. That's how they seem like they make us black folks do. We got to walk so goddamn light. And every time I talk like this and I stump, because the people that I was around, they had 3 trades and they ain't give a fuck about what you thought about how they was talking, because they knew they was grown. And everybody I was around when they was a fucking grown up. And grown-ups do what grown-ups do, and children do, what children do. And it was a better, safer neighborhood when it was that way. Instead of all this, he cursing, and you listening to people that talk like this, and be one, and we're smart, and you guys, we only want 10%, and you guys are dumb, and if you don't get what I'm saying, it's just because you're dumb. So just stay around, I'll make you smart. Now give me $5. I got a theory. I thought, Charles, woo. We got to get back for fucking real. Trades and coding is the future. It's always been. And that's why skilled laborers are coming over here and they tan ass up while we getting left behind. Still think I'm crazy. If we don't wake up, if we keep allowing people to control our children and put certain things into bathrooms and all this other stuff and let that be more of a focal point than their reading and their testing scores, something ain't right. We failing as parents. It start with us. We got an apple in our mouth. Seem like we keep sending our kids to the hellfire. Stole your word, bitch. Stole your little phrase, ho. See, you say I copied your swag. But anyway, we sending our kids to the hellfire. Why? It's supposed to be we the people. The government's supposed to do what we want. We want our kids learning what they want them to learn instead of what they need to learn. You mean to tell me if we don't vote, if we don't get the new guys that's coming up for re-election, we can't tell them the only way we're going to fucking elect your bitch ass or you, ma'am. The only way we're going to elect your bitch ass or you, ma'am, or whatever you identify with, we got to add everybody, all inclusive. The only way you getting in office is not your gender, your party, who you with, is if you put motherfucking trades and coding in schools. Anything less than that, fuck you. You mean to tell me we can't do that? I thought we could do that. I thought it's we the people. I thought if we get together and we stop fighting each other with all this dumb shit, race, this, that, this, we can't fucking read. So it don't matter what race or none of that shit. Fuck that. We can't read. We got to get back to reading so maybe somebody can't trick us into not going to get some money for our family. Maybe we'll be focused on bullshit. When I'm busy working, I don't give a fuck what the hell going on. This don't make no sense. You mean to tell me we done got that soft that we can't say Here's the numbers of trades, what they did to the school systems back in the day. Here's the numbers on how society was doing. Here's the analytics of everything. We want this shit back in school right now. Here's the trade number, the coding situation. Here's how it benefit, and here's how they can control robots and everything with coding. We want that shit in elementary schools all the way through high school. You mean to tell me this ain't we the people no more? Is that what y'all telling me? You telling me they done start figuring out a way to make more money off the sickness than giving us the cure? So is that why they building more prisons than more coding situations for the kids for free? Is that why the prisons are privatized? And is that why our rap music sound like that and 44-year-olds sound like Hassan? So people can think rock and snap boxes is the only thing that black folks got to do so they can become a rapper. And they only do that if they can't make it at ball and football. That's our only lane, entertain and murder. Or the smart talking hustler that come and slick niggas out their money. We the people better wake the fuck up. I'm the only guy on the internet that ain't talking about, well, I'm not the only guy. I take that back. I'm sorry. I'm not one of the guys that's talking about hurting black folks and rocking snot boxes and all this type of stuff. And their YouTube channel is not being messed with as hard as the guy that's saying put trading and codes back in schools.